Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Orange color, green color, sky blue color, violet color, dark blue color, yellow color, pink color, red color, A for ant, B for bus, C for car, D for duck, E for eggplant, F for fish, G for garden, H for hat, I for ink, J for jellyfish, K for kite, L for lotus, M for map, N for net, O for olive, P for pencil, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sky, T for tiger, U for uniform, V for violin, W for window, X for Xerox, Y for yogurt, Z for zero, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.